Hello there, special peeps. It's Melody, and I hope you like my little headpiece here. It is June in Alabama, and it's very hard to find a Santa hat, and it's thundering, so you might hear thunder. Hopefully, this being the 21st century, just a little bad weather is not going to mess up my connection. But if it does, I'll join back. But thank you guys for being here. If you're watching the replay, welcome. And yes, it looks kind of like Christmas time. I'm going to show you my sweater. I love this sweater. I love, even though it is, I'm wearing it for ugly sweater. Ah, look, it's Will Smith. Will Smith, like old school Will Smith, right? Like Will Smith and Jazzy Jeff. So I am so excited. Hey, Crystal, what's up, girl? Crystal just joined the team. I'm so excited because our team is having a really huge event this Friday night. We did it last year. It was so incredible that we're bringing it back, and it's called Ugly Sweater. And even though it's not quite July, we're kind of doing the whole Christmas in July thing because this amazing June kid special is like a big old Christmas gift to yourself. So I wanted to take just a minute and show you what you can get when you join my team this month in June. So it's crazy. There's 15 books and business supplies, and you get all of these books for $89. Now I have most of them here, so I'm going to show them to you, and I'll let you know which ones I don't have, but are kind of like it. So let's see. Let's start with Nibbles. Nibbles is so good. Now give me a heart. Oh, it's thunder right above us. Give me a heart if you like Nibbles. If you have Nibbles, if you love Nibbles. Nibbles is the bomb.com. Cute little book monster. So these are all the books that are in our Trailblazer kit. Only for June. It's going away at the end of this month. So you have Nibbles. There's one. You have the Survival Skills Handbook. Crystal can't wait to get her kit. She joined just a couple days ago, and she's coming to the party too. Woo woo. So Janelle, hi Janelle. Janelle gives a heart, so she must have Nibbles. Who has this one? The one about Survival Skills Handbook, Bear Grylls. This comes in the kit. We have perfect for summer, the Never Get Bored book. It is amazing. Has this really cool thing here. It fits really great in a backpack or in that little like mesh thing in the pockets of your van, that's right in front of them. That's where we keep a lot of our stuff. Look at this, Escape from the Castle. Every page is different and just really fascinating. I mean, stuff I'm like, how do they even think of that stuff? It's so cool. You cannot, look at this. Look at this. Make a flip book movie. You cannot get bored with this book. I wish I had this book when I was growing up in the summertime. I went to my dad's house and there was not a lot to do. But this book. All right, so this is great. This comes in the kit. And okay, this is a new title. This exact one does not come in the new kit. The one that does is Wonders of the USA. So it's similar. You get a Shine a Light book. Hey, you get a Shine a Light book. It's not quite this one. It's Wonders of the USA comes in the kit. But Shine a Light books are so fun because they're nonfiction, but it's like sneaky nonfiction. And what you do is you shine the light behind the picture, and then that shows through. It's incredible. Kids love it. Perfect for bedtime. And you learn so much while you're having fun. So Wonders of the USA is what comes in the kit. Jalissa, oh, this one is so good. Jalissa says she wants this one. Look at those cute little llamas. Are they llamas? Oh, are we back? Someone let me know if you can see me. Give me a thumbs up or something if you can see me because I blacked out for a second. I think it's a storm right above me. Can anyone still see me? I'm going to keep going. I'm going to pretend that you can. Give me a thumbs up if you can see me. Anybody? All right. Okay. Thank you, Janelle. Okay. If we cut out again, it's that storm right above us. All better comes in the kit. You guys, all better is amazing. Thank you, Janelle. She says, I can see you. Thank you. All better has these 5. Thank you, everyone. Maggie, Julissa, Crystal, thank you. So this comes in the kit. Emily, yay. This is so fabulous. We sell out of this all the time. These cute little Band-Aids. Anna has taken all of these. Anna loves this book. Janelle says, best book. It is. You guys, all the animals get little boo-boos, and you take the Band-Aid and you kiss it. No, you clean it. See what it says. Clean it, kiss it, put a bandage on it. Boop. All better. And it's like that way for each animal. It's the cutest thing ever. And they have little matching Band-Aids. It's perfect. So this book comes in the kit. And I'm going to tell you a little secret. I think I shared this already, but I'm going to tell you a little secret. So there's a sequel to this. The one with the glasses, right? Little Bear needs glasses, gets glasses. Got it over there somewhere. It was okay. It was good. But yes, Janelle, there's a new one coming out in October. And you get to put the animals to bed. You get to tuck them in. You get to put the animals to bed. They're so cute. Anyway, so that's coming out in October. But this one comes in the June Trailblazer kit. Boom. Okay. This one does not come in the kit. But the one just like it, Robin Hood, does come in the kit. So Anna has taken Robin Hood. So Robin Hood comes in the kit. It's graphic novels. These are so great. Just really fun. Kind of like those, manga ones. But I just love that it's classic stories. So good. So this one and the Sherlock Holmes, kind of the Baskervilles one, is coming out soon too. Woo. But Robin Hood comes in the June kit. Bee Makes Tea does not come in the kit. But which one does? Hyena Ballerina comes in the kit. I don't have that one. But it's just like this, same series, fun phonics book. And the phonics books are just getting so much funnier. And each time they're funnier. I got this here. So this one comes in, not come in the kit. But Hyena Ballerina does. You guys, if you're into phonics, get this one. This is brand new. It's a combined volume. It's got a bunch of stories, Giraffe in the Bath and other tales. It has Chimp with a Limp. Chimp with a limp. That's hilarious to me. It's got Chimp with a Limp, Ape's Great Escape, Seal at the Wheel, Hyena Ballerina. This one is so much fun. But anyway, this is not in the kit. This was a little extra I wanted to show you. All right. And then, let's see. Yay! This one is in the kit. I do have this one. General Knowledge Crosswords is in the kit. So fun. You've got some big ones. You've got some small ones. It's great to start small, and then by the end, you're working up to really big puzzles. So much fun. Perfect for summertime. Comes in the kit. Comes in the kit. Slide and see nighttime. Look at this. Teaches cause and effect. Babies want to know what happens if I do this. Well, that's what happens. Oh, so cute. And I've said this before, but I just love repeating it. I got to hear Mr. Peter Usborne talk at our national convention just a few weeks ago, and he talked about all these books they have coming out about nighttime. And he said the reason why they're doing that is because children are generally scared of the nighttime, right? They're scared of the dark. And so by having these wonderful books for them, it kind of shows them there's nothing to be scared of. Isn't that fabulous? So I just love Peter Usborne. But this is just so much fun. This one, this little is that a badger? Man, I need to learn my animals. Comes out, has fun finger trails. There is a new book like All Better. Amy asks, is there a new book like All Better? There will be in October. You get to put the animals to sleep in October. So this one, so fun. This comes in the kit. Look, who's hiding? So cute. Comes in the June kit, the June Trailblazer kit. You Are a Star, brand new, great little motivational, feel good about yourself book. Read this to Anna for bedtime the other night. She enjoyed it. It's just about learning to, let's see, just a short little book. Don't let anyone put you down. Always remember that you are a star. It's just a nice little, kind of like a gift book, really. You Are a Star right here, comes in the kit. That's not my unicorn. Usborne's 50th. That's not my book. 50th in the series. And there's even more now. But I love this one. It is so beautiful. Hi, Leah. The little edges of the pages are just so iridescent and pretty. And did you see that there is a unicorn plush coming out very soon? In the next few weeks, it's supposed to be out. These books are famous for just having so much fun. Texture. Yes, Leah, Julissa, happy faces, unicorns. Yes. So this comes in the kit. Just beautiful texture, beautiful colors. These are the perfect books for diaper bags. And Usborne is really big on safety. So all of our board books have rounded corners to save your eyeballs. This will not put out your eyeballs. So love that. Yes, Julissa, the plush is coming. Anyway, this is in the kit. Now, this is the new one, Entrepreneur Academy, in our Academy series. This is not in the kit. The one in the kit is called Chef Academy. I don't have that one, but I do have Entrepreneur Academy, which is kind of like a little Shark Tank Junior. So Chef Academy is very similar to this. This is just the Entrepreneur one. It's a great activity book that teaches, about that skill or that business. There's lots in this series. There's Vet Academy, Pilot Academy, Doctor Academy. So the one in the kit is Chef Academy. So there's that. These last two are in the kit. Goldilocks by one of my favorite illustrators, Lorena Alvarez. She is so good. I love her illustrations. Just beautiful, classic story. Beautiful, big picture book. Where's one of my favorite? Look at these bears. I mean, how cute are these bears? Just beautiful hardback picture book. And, just so great. It's Goldilocks. Goldilocks, beautifully illustrated. Comes in the kit. And the last one that comes in the kit is Miss Molly's School of Manners. This one is so good. I love learning about manners. I am a little disappointed that, like with Alexa, you don't have to use manners. Is there like a manners skill that you can add where she only works if you say please and thank you? Because if there is, you have to tell me because I want that. Because I feel like we're not using our manners when we use Alexa. And we use Alexa a lot. But Miss Molly's School of Manners, one of the newest Usborne books. It looks kind of like Richard Scarry illustrations, but just great. Look at that. Just great, how to use manners like in context. Like this little little animal, Algernon, is at the School of Manners, and he learns what to do and what to say. And it's just so good. I love it. Nice, beautiful, hardback book, Miss Molly's School of Manners. This is in the kit too. So let me show you. We got all this stuff in the kit. And in the kit, you get 5 big boy catalogs. That's what I call them, big boy catalogs. We have over 1,700 titles in this catalog. It's crazy. and you get a pack of 5. So 5-pack of catalogs, the big boys that has everything. And then you get a 20-pack of mini catalogs. And you guys, these catalogs are the best. I mean, our home office team went above and beyond with this beautiful new mini catalog. It's redesigned, has a different look from our previous year's minis. They're just beautiful. They're kind of like a book themselves. They're really strong. So I love our new minis. You get 20. You get 20 mini catalogs, and you get like a few other hostess and host goodies like the host guide, and you get 6 months of the website ordering stuff. That's included in your kit cost. So let me show you. This is why we're making such a big deal about the kit. And this is why we're having a big party this Friday night, because you get all of these books. Oh, you get all of these books plus the catalogs. Oh, plus the catalogs and the other goodies that I said, like the website, the other stuff. You get all of this for $89. That's it. That's it. You pay $89 for these books. I mean, that's crazy. That's crazy. Plus, you get to join our super awesome team. We have so much fun. And you get to give the business a try. I mean, for $89, you're getting like way more than that in just the books. But you're also going to get a chance to join a super fun, award-winning team. We're spread out across the country. We have so much fun. We put family first. That's kind of the big thing with our team, is we put family first, and we encourage our team members to do that too. So anyway, Ugly Sweater is this Friday night. And of course, we're going to have some special giveaways. I'm not allowed to tell you here on my business page what those giveaways are. It's against the rules of Usborne to tell you that. However, if you become a member of my VIP group, Melody's Special Peeps, then you will see all the details. I'm allowed to spill the beans in my private Facebook group. So I really want you to come over there and check it out. It's going to be so much fun, and you're really going to flip out when you come over to my Special Peep group and see the giveaways that are going to be going on this Friday night in Ugly Sweater. It's going to be great. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you'll join us this Friday night. Please let me know, send me a message or comment here if you would like an invite to the party. There's no pressure. We're just going to show you what the business looks like and 4 different ways that you could work it to fit into your schedule, into your pockets of time with your family. All right, guys, have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you over in my VIP group, Melody's Special Peeps, very soon. And story time tomorrow in Special Peeps, 2 p.m. Central, 3 p.m. Eastern. We're going to read a full story live. It's going to be great. I think I'm going to read, I got a whole bunch of new titles. Where is it? Oh, this is what I want to read. I want to read this one tomorrow. So, yay, Amy wants an invite. Wonderful, Amy. Please send me a friend request too, because the party is in a private group. So we have to be official friends for me to invite you. So, Amy, I'd love to have you. Send me a friend request and I'll get you in. The party group opens up Thursday, and then the actual party is Friday night. Okay, hope to see you tomorrow for story time, and hope to see you over in Melody's Special Peeps. Bye, everyone.